Hi everyone, I'm back on solid ground again after that amazing skydiving experience. I loved it and I'm gonna do it again and again and again and again. Definitely. Um, but right now I'm spending a lot of time in nature with the people I love the most. And it's been amazing these few weeks. Peaceful, calm, and just going on road trips and everything. And I wanted to show you our latest road trip. We were just there over the day. This hiking trail is about 7 kilometers long, so it's not that far at all. But you have a lot to see along the way. I mean, I was gonna film the whole trail if I could, but took some bits and parts here and there along the way. Such a beautiful scenery. You have like working on hills, you have a beautiful view and water. I mean, I can't explain it, but I really wanted to show you guys bits from it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did, even if it's just on a video. But let's go.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
And just take a look at this. Isn't it something special when you surround yourself with water? Just like this. I love it. Just standing there, watching the water, just dancing down on those rocks. It's so beautiful. I could have been standing there for hours. It was just amazing. Amazing. What I really loved about this trail is that it wasn't flat. I love when it goes like up and down, and we're climbing rocks and everything, and I definitely want to feel it in my legs the day after. Then it's a really good trail. And then we finally came up to this beautiful view. It was so breathtaking, and that's why I love hiking. You never know where you're gonna end up really. And this trail with this amazing view, it was just unbelievable. I love this. So beautiful. And we sat there for quite a while, just enjoying that beautiful view, eating some snacks, and yeah, just having a great time. It was amazing. beautiful part of this river. And I just had to go and take a closer look, and jumping over those big rocks wasn't easy. I almost fell, but I didn't. So that was all good. And it was so much fun to stand there for a while and just watch the water flow down there. It was beautiful. And we took a few stops along the way after that as well, just to take a closer look on that river. It's so beautiful, and it's something special with water, so magical and powerful at the same time. But now we reached the end of our beautiful hike. I hope you enjoyed watching this. This is just a glimpse. I really hope you get to see this in person one day. Take really good care, everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!